So today we're going to open up the Fright Fighter from the Masters of the Universe movie. I think this would be a pretty cool one. Bought just maybe a month ago at this point, but I haven't had time to go through it yet. But let's see what it is. So out of the box, we've got the main body, and it looks like we got some wings, some blasters, and a tail. So we've got some pincer action on the front. Just pulling that piece back. The wings simply snap on to the spots right there on the side. Fairly easy. This trigger flaps the wings. Not bad. And this trigger will do the pincer action. That's kind of neat. So the tail has some articulation, spins, kind of locks in place. It's pretty nifty. And it'll go right in the back here. Where they go. And here's a surgery part right there. So that's easy. Went in really smooth. And that was smooth. Ready to go. Feels pretty structured very well. Get this open here, just very secure. Very detailed little controls there. Seat's very detailed. All right, so we'll take a closer look here. Check it out. Yeah, that's we know that works. With a hand like this, it's easy to pull out the trigger. You can use the tail as a handle. It's got a blast on the end of that too. Pretty accurate to the movie. Look at all those details on the back. Like I said, look inside the seat. It's with the controls. All the details on the seat itself are nice. There's no monitor, I guess, for watch gauges, but no, we don't think I would want to add to it. Oh, look, it's He-Man. All right, he's getting picked up to the pinch direction. It works. A little hard to grab. And who we have flying here? Ah, yes. 2 Bop Steady. They're a little big, but they fit in there. They're just a little wide because they're combined into one person. Gonna be difficult to close the door. Yeah, you can't really close the door with a minute. They're just a little too wide and tall. But otherwise, that's a pretty good fit. So that was the Fright Fighter. I think it's pretty cool. Obviously, using my tool of Grayskull isn't working out for everything all the way. So I'll probably actually buy some actual dedicated MOTU figures, right? So just my crossovers that I have. I got this to the Grayskull and I got some of the Thundercat ones. But we'll see.